Good morning friends, I am Dr. Anirudh Vij and today we will be discussing an important topic, especially for the ladies who undergo bariatric surgery. The topic is that can they plan their pregnancy after undergoing bariatric surgery? So bariatric surgery is a long-term treatment for effective weight loss in the morbidly obese group of people, and many of the patients who are undergoing bariatric surgery are sometimes still unmarried, and some of them are married but they have not yet started their family. So for these kind of patients, the important question arises is whether they can plan their pregnancy after undergoing this bariatric surgery. So the patients who undergo bariatric surgery, many of the ladies before are suffering from severe hormonal disturbances. They might have polycystic ovarian disease, irregular menstrual cycles, and this may pose a threat to their normal conception. In many of these patients, there is a history of recurrent miscarriages after conceiving because their obesity poses a high risk complication in their normal pregnancy. So after undergoing bariatric surgery, all these hormonal problems are normalized, the PCOD resolves and the menstrual cycle also regularizes. So the chances of a normal conception increases and thus the fertility of the lady is also enhanced. Also in males, obesity also poses a number of problems regarding fertility. Male people who are obese often have low testosterone levels and low sperm counts, and after undergoing the bariatric surgery, the male hormone level rises and also there is increase in sperm count. So this also increases the chances of conception in the couple. So to summarize, bariatric surgery is a fertility enhancing procedure and it does not pose any threat to normal conception. Only the timing of conception has to be carefully considered after undergoing the bariatric surgery. A minimum waiting time of 12 to 18 months is required after undergoing the bariatric surgery before a safe conception can be carried out. This is because this is the period of active weight loss, and any pregnancy which happens before this period of active weight loss is over can pose a threat of deficiency in the developing fetus. Also, pregnancy during the phase of active weight loss can interfere with the same and can lead to insufficient weight loss in the mother. However, if the pregnancy is carried out after this phase of active weight loss, the pregnancy would be just like a normal pregnancy. The mother might not gain that much weight as in a normal pregnancy, but the developing baby weight is always normal and the development of the baby is always normal in these cases.